Hello friends, today we will discuss about the Python lambda function. What is a lambda function? What is the syntax of the lambda function and why we use the lambda function? Let's begin. A lambda function is a small anonymous function. A lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. Let's see the syntax of the lambda function. First, you have to write the keyword lambda, then argument colon and then expression. This is how you declare or define a lambda function. Let's take an example how the lambda function really work. Let's assign x equals to lambda where a variable a is added to number 10 integer 10 and we gonna print x over the value 5. Now here's how it's worked. X equals to lambda a colon a plus 10. Now we define we will pass in a, we will pass a 5 over there. So a will replace by a 5 and then 5 plus 10 is it will give an output as 15. Okay, so this is how you can go with the lambda function as we already told you that, and it's an anonymous function. So and you can use a multiple variable like that, a comma b where a into to b will give you an output, let's say 5 into 6, then it will produce output 30. You can give any number of argument to it, any number of argument, and you can pass same as the 3 argument to it. Why we use a lambda function? The power of lambda function is shown when you use them as an anonymous function inside the another function. So now we will define a function and we will use the lambda function inside that function. Let's see how. It's an example of multiplication. We define a function, my function, and we pass an argument that is n and return lambda a colon a multiplied by n. So whatever you will pass in that argument, it will get multiplied to the variable a. So if you want to double your amount, then my function pass 3 over here, and you can see the main function principal lambda a. Okay, so it's called that function, and my double equal to this, and my double of 11, let's make it double 22. It's like that. So 11 is the a variable and 2 is the n. Okay, now let's see that, put it 3 over here, that should be 33 into n. So 2 over here, 11 over here. So it's 22. Oh, first we have to 44. Okay. Use lambda function when an enormous function is required for a short period of time. Let's see what is the n argument is passed in a my function, that is 2. But when we pass my double as 11, it will go to the variable a, that is lambda function a. Okay, if you will see this, put over 3. 3 into 3 is 9, and 9 into 4 is 36. Okay, this is all for today, guys. I hope you like the video. So please like, share, and comment. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.